Tuesday morning, everybody. It's somewhere around 11 o'clock. I decided to come over and do a trail cam card change out today. Got pretty thick on this side, coming in from the west. And you still see where some critters have been wearing this place out right through here. Might have to bring the trail camera over this way. Yeah, there's a little squirrel down there. Don't see too many squirrels over here. Don't really understand that. I haven't been in over to Alpha Camp this way in a pretty good while. Expected it to be grown up a bit. Not supposed to have any rain today. Tasty spider web there. However, right now, getting this little light canopy break here. Looks like it could start any moment. Yeah, I'll bring you guys back. Get a little further on over here. Thanks for coming along. You guys have seen this spot before. It catches full of water, but it takes quite a bit of rain, and as you can see, it's right up to here. Usually this is clear across, and besides the mosquitoes buzzing around me here, lost one of my marker trees. I guess the root ball just finally gave it up. Wind set in, and that was all she wrote. So I'm going to have to back up and go around here. Well, the water goes all the way up underneath the tree over there. That probably didn't help it any. Pretty sloppy out here today. Made it around. Pretty good sized old tree. That upper one sticking out there is probably 10 feet off the ground. And it broke off another little, appears to be a white oak right there beside it. I believe that's a poplar. And I was right back up over there about 20 yards. And if I don't get away from this water pretty quick, do a few spider webs here, I got a feeling I'm going to be a mosquito feast. Look at all the ferns. Had a good crop here last year. No reason we shouldn't this year. You can see some rain wash here. It rained really hard yesterday. Can't really see any tracks, but they're keeping a run going across here anyway. See if the camera's got any shots on it. That 2 gig card is supposed to have 199 pictures on it. I didn't go through all of them, just a couple at the end, but evidently we had some traffic through here. You know, I'm pretty sure that I had a limb back over there in the background. Yeah. Or some of these plants down here waving at the camera. I don't know whether that happened again this time or not. Look at them, we'll see. Right now, today, look guys, didn't forget. Now the jerky's for me. Brought some more deer snacks. Now stick them out down there and around the general area here. I may head over towards the hideout for a few minutes. Not gonna stay long. I'm not sure whether this is their particular flavors of apple or not, but they seem to be disappearing. There, it caught me then. Still in the warm-up time. Yeah, scattered them out around here. Didn't lay anything on the fire reflector this time. Gonna head back the same trail back over towards the hideout. Let's see what this bottom down here looks like after a pretty good gully washer yesterday. You guys that watch my videos, you know where I'm at. The old leaning tree. And usually right down here at the end of this fallen log is where I turn back and head up towards the hideout. Today you can see a pretty nice little pond down here. It hadn't had time to drain yet. Yeah, I sprayed myself real good back there. Mosquitoes started coming around me pretty heavy. Usually it's a walk right across there. Today it looks like a go around, doesn't it? Right out there at that little twin set of trees right there. Maybe 1.5 feet deep. Since I really don't have time today to make the trip around, adds about another 1/8 of a mile or so to the trek, I'm going to walk back out, back up through Alpha Camp there, and back to the southwest a little, and go back over and see what the little watering hole looks like today after all that rain we had. It's a jungle out here. Yeah, look at that. Almost looks like the sun's going to shine today after all, doesn't it? I'm going to do a camp over here eventually. These little cedar trees just look too inviting to nest up in there somewhere. And let me get to walking. Ooh. Can you guys see that? Probably not. Can't get the light on it. Nice spider web. Try not to tear that one down. Not much of a trail up through here anymore, is it? Now, folks, I'm not walking through briars. I would be screaming if it were. Let me sneak right up here on the little pond. Don't get me wrong, there are briars out here. I just don't happen to be in a patch of them right now. Plenty of spider webs though. Let me get to the water hole. Had to make a little detour there. Usually I come in from that side. Had to kind of trip around the other direction a little bit. Looks like there might have been a little critter traffic through here. I think next week I'm going to move the trail cam back over here. I'm going to put them out a few treats here today anyway. I was going to over to Hideout, but I'm just not going to make that extra journey today. I'll walk my way around over to the other side there. Put out some treats. First thing that happened was I got met by a herd of mosquitoes. They have since left me alone. Kind of buzzing around my head right now, but not too bad. I saved 4 apples. Cut them up. Give the boys a treat. Girls too. Didn't aim on keeping you guys long today. Just got a few apples and it was time to change that card out. Glad I did. With 199 pictures, I don't know what's on there. I saw a few deer pictures there at the end. I keep looking over here at the frogs jumping in the water. We've got a whole new batch, looks like, and a bunch more tadpoles. I want to say a shout out today for one particular channel. If you guys get a chance, go over there and check him out. Jonah 365 Outdoors. He's a young man of a few years over there in Scotland that just enjoys being outdoors, and he does some real nice camping. He's just getting started too, guys, so go ahead and give him a look-see. Give him a like or two, and subscribe if you would. I think right now I'm going to head that direction and make my way on out of here for today. If everything goes good the rest of today and tomorrow, I'll have another video up this coming week. There again, if everything goes okay, I'll be a little busy for the rest of the week. Like, I've been busy for a couple of weeks here, and I'm kind of behind on watching you guys. I'm trying to catch up a little bit at a time, but you know, night before last I had computer issues and I have no idea, it wouldn't let me do anything. I couldn't watch a video or comment on anything. So I finally got it straightened out, I hope. Alright guys, glad you came along today. Really hot over here and the water's just running off of me. It's probably 100% humidity right here where I'm sitting. Thanks for watching. Till next time, just waiting for the next big adventure.